Sorry, what? You want now to make a cup of tea correctly? First thing, boil the kettle. And while that's going, we need to use our time efficiently. So, let's grab ourselves a big old cup. We have a cup and tea bag. This is all happening instead of waiting for the kettle to boil. Bang the tea bag into the cup. Go to the fridge, go get your milk. Here he is, big boy. Open up our milk. Splash it right onto the tea bag there. Not too much though. We don't want a weak one, we want a proper cup of tea. Grab yourself a little teaspoon. And look at that. It's great timing. Kettle's just about boiled by the time we've done all that. Wait for it to click. Now it's ready. And now, when we put the water into the cup, we don't burn the tea. It's nice and cool with the milk. All the way to the top. Stir it around a little bit first. And I like to leave her in there for a good 30 seconds or so. There we go. Get your tea bag out. Get a good squeeze on the side first. Want that lovely tea flavour. And that is the colour we're looking for. Give it one final stir. And that is the perfect cup of tea. And also, don't be putting sugar in there. So you have to put sugar in your tea. You don't like